Hello, awesome viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss a simple overview of AWS, Amazon Web Services. What exactly is AWS, Amazon Web Services? Imagine it's a giant toolbox. It's like a garage and it's in the cloud. That provides a wide variety of services and tools to help businesses. For example, if I have a business, if I want to grow my business in the cloud, let's say I want to put a lot of data there. Amazon Web Services or any cloud is the way to go. It can be helpful for businesses and also individuals. Tools help businesses and individuals do all sorts of things without having to worry about setting up, maintaining their own physical infrastructure. To give a simple example, let's say you have a laptop, right? You have 1 terabytes or 500 GB of data. If you want to store a lot of data in, let's say 100 terabytes, 200 terabytes, so you have to purchase extra additional physical storage devices. Instead of that, you can always go for a cloud service. Not only the AWS provides you the storage facility and also many more services like computing power. We'll just see in a bit. Okay, let us see what exactly do we get here. We can get storage and computing power. Okay. First, let us see if we have services for AWS, what exactly we could see. As you can see here, I've opened Amazon Web Services and also I'm a logged in user. And you can also see the reach is global. You can check for any region. Let's say if you want for an Ireland region, you can select Ireland. If you want to select UK, you can select UK region. And also you can see here, we have computing facilities, storage facilities, blockchain mechanism, management and governance, analytic services, and etc. So for computing services, we have EC2. Say EC2 is used by Netflix, right, to expand the resources. Storage also is used by S3 buckets. We can use a number of things. Even also we have, if you want to use the resources and services, Internet of Things, right? Let me go back to the PPT again. We have pay as you go model. You pay what you use. Just now we saw the services which AWS provides. Whatever the service you choose, you have to pay for that, right? So initially, I think you'll get 12 months of free subscription. After that, whatever the services you use, you have to pay for that. It is as simple as that. They will not charge you for all the resources and the services. Only they'll charge you for the service you use. Global reach. AWS has data centers all across the world. You can select any global region and you can access the data. Reliability and security. AWS has robust security in place and provides reliable infrastructure. Definitely, if you want to log into AWS, there are multi-factor authentication. You have to authenticate by username and password. Then there is one more layer of extra security. You can either download any authenticator app where you can get a code or a push notification or an OTP. And also we have to see flexibility and scalability. You can use as much of these services as you need, right? Scalability, you can increase the data storage. You can use as much as your computing power also. Wide range of services. AWS is not just a storage and computing, it provides platform services. Just now we saw the services also, right? Let me share the screen again where we can see the services. This is the page again. These are all the services which AWS provides. Computing power, storage capacity, blockchain is a trending thing, satellite, quantum technologies. Amazon bracket is also very trendy. Analytics, you can see we have AWS Data Exchange. People subscribe to that and they can take a number of data from the companies. Internet of Things, a lot of things are there, analytics, IoT, events, etc. End user computing is also there, workspaces you can create, n number of services they provide. That's it for the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.